I want to talk to you about AWS Lambda functions. These serverless computing services provided by Amazon Web Services have revolutionized the way we build and deploy applications. With Lambda functions, you can run code without provisioning or managing servers. This means you can focus on writing your code and let AWS take care of the rest. One of the key benefits of Lambda functions is their scalability. You can easily scale your application up or down based on demand, without having to worry about managing infrastructure. This makes Lambda functions ideal for applications with fluctuating workloads. Another advantage of Lambda functions is their cost-effectiveness. You only pay for the compute time you consume, so you can save money by running your code more efficiently. Additionally, Lambda functions are highly available and reliable, with built-in monitoring and logging capabilities. To create a Lambda function, you simply upload your code to AWS and define the triggers that will invoke it. You can use a variety of programming languages, including Node.js, Python, and Java. Once your function is deployed, AWS will automatically handle the execution and scaling of your code. In conclusion, AWS Lambda functions are a powerful tool for building scalable, cost-effective applications. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or a business looking to optimize your infrastructure, Lambda functions are a game changer in the world of cloud computing. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.